Welcome to the ultimate IPTV guide for UK. Are you ready to transform your viewing experience? Visit 2tv.store for the best IPTV options. Explore various channels and packages offered. Find what suits you and your interests. Don't miss out on Netflix, sports, and more. Once you decide, let's get started. You'll need the IPTV app installed first. Follow the instructions carefully during installation. Install the app and log into your account. You're almost there, just a few more steps. Next, configure your settings for optimal performance. Make sure to adjust the video quality preferences. To ensure everything works, test your channels. Issues? Don't worry. Nancy is here to help. Reach out to Nancy for live support. She'll guide you step by step for installation. Feeling confident? Start enjoying IPTV now. Experience seamless streaming with minimum interruptions. Join thousands who love 2tv.store services. IPTV brings the world of entertainment home. Never miss your favorite shows and events. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video tutorial.